If you guys like this latest Airsoft Amigos video, please subscribe. We've got gameplay videos, unboxings, short films, and Airsoft entertainment coming out every single week.
I'm always sneaky. Yeah. So
this video is two very aggressive CQB games that I played in City out at Panther Airsoft in Surrey, my home field. I was a little bit hungover, but I'm pretty happy with how it all worked out in the end. So please enjoy. It's only shot using my helmet cam, and I've left the entire video in here so you can kind of see what I did when I ran onto the field and killed a lot of guys. I shot them. There's no murder in Airsoft. Now this part's a little interesting because this guy running, I know I shot him. I like 2 or 3 times as he was running. Maybe he just didn't feel it to the very end when maybe I was getting him in the legs, but you know, he did end up calling it. But I was like, come on, dude, call it.
Kimmy, move up, move up. Okay.
This is not firing. Now you can pull them. Well, now it's firing.
Come on, Pat! Oh, yeah, nice shot, Pat. Nice shot, dude. I was even waiting for you.
Come on. Come me, baby.
Let's go.
So my GoPro decided to
stop
stop recording for some reason when I told it to start, because apparently it was already recording. But anyways, jumps here. I get to the building at the end and start sweeping like crazy.
What?
You're so sneaky today.
I'm always sneaky.
So sneaky. No, he's got hats on.
What? There's a guy. Yeah. He might be friendly. Any armbands left? I got him. What's that? So, yeah, I'm like, oh, what is that moving over there?
Then we dove into that and just got stabbed constantly.
Oh shit, I got shot before. I don't think I even hit. Nice shot.